Welcome to Shefware Smarter Technology. Seamlessly migrate your Google Workspace data to Microsoft Office 365. Let's see how to migrate Google Workspace data to Office 365 while preserving the original data structure. Click Start Migration, then select the Add Job option to continue. Enter a name for your migration job. Connect the source and destination accounts, or select previously saved credentials. Click Next to verify the credentials and continue. Select all the required Google Workspace data types you want to migrate to Office 365. Now, map each Google Workspace user with the corresponding target Office 365 user. Select the source user whose data you want to migrate. Now click Next. Choose a target folder if required, and apply the date filter to migrate data within a specific date range. For scheduling, you can either run the migration immediately or schedule it for later. For a scheduled migration, choose one time, daily, weekly, or monthly, then set the required start date and time. You can also automatically stop the task if it runs longer than the selected duration and set an expiration date and time if required. Your migration job is now created and ready to run. From here, you can add a new job, start or stop the migration, and remove the job whenever required. Now, go to the Migration History panel from the left menu and select your job from the Choose Job dropdown. Here, you can view the run session, click the session to view more details. Click View Summary for more details. View the execution summary with successful, failed, skipped, and total items. Go to the Migration tab to view active migrations and track their progress and status. If you need any assistance, go to Help and select Contact Us. You'll be redirected to our contact page, where you can email us, call us, or use live chat for further assistance. Download the Shefware Google Drive to OneDrive migration tool and start your migration with ease. Thanks for watching. Visit shefware.com for more details.